In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Keyboard to Apple Computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which device you have from Apple, either a MacBook, a Mac PC, an iPad, and so on, you will be able to use and connect your Apple Keyboard. It is designed to be compatible with any iOS device, so regardless of the device that you are using, the primary connection type is going to be Bluetooth. So it is going to be the one that I'm focusing in this video. For you to establish a Bluetooth connection, if you are using a standard MacBook, Mac PC, go into the system settings and then you will find the Bluetooth category right underneath Wi-Fi. So it's going to be the second one. With Bluetooth enabled through this menu, you can now connect your Apple Keyboard. To do this, toggle it on and off. You can do this multiple times or only once, and immediately upon toggling it on, when you see this green background on the toggle, it is going to go into pairing mode right away. Now, it is going to be detectable by nearby devices, including your Mac. So, under nearby devices, you will find the Apple wireless keyboard, and it's going to be as simple as tapping on the connect option besides it. Upon connecting your Apple wireless keyboard, it is going to be usable on this Mac, and you can follow the same steps for any other device. So an iPad, an iPhone, and so on. Just enable pairing mode, and once you find it in nearby devices, you are good to go. If you prefer, you can also use a cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the port on the keyboard. Usually it's going to be a USB-C port right here at the top, and then the other end goes into your iOS device. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. So choose whichever method you prefer and you will be able to connect and use your Apple keyboard. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.